In this episode, we'll learn to review and handle alerts in VRadar. Open the System Alerts tab. Alerts appear in real time, newest at the top. Every alert has a color-coded severity: critical red, high orange, medium yellow, low green. The description column tells you the type of attack detected, like SSH brute force, malware, or ransomware. The source IP column shows the attacker's address. The device column shows which machine is affected. The status column shows whether the alert is open, acknowledged, or resolved. Filters above let you filter by severity, by device, or by time range. Click an alert to see details, the raw log, extracted fields, and AI-suggested actions. You can acknowledge to mark as seen, or create an incident if it needs deeper investigation.